Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Taurus, let's see what message wants to show through for you today. And please remember, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. Alright Taurus, let's start your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here, for all your love that you send to the channel. Your lovely comments and likes are very appreciated. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, wow, I have the Queen of Wands, center of my spread today for you. Okay. So the cards I have on my table is the Five of Cups in reverse. Knight of Wands, the Magician, Four of Wands, Queen of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Temperance, Three of Pentacles and the Ten of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck I have the Page of Swords. So that means Taurus, somebody could be watching you. Somebody could be having their eye on you because you seem to have glowed up. There's something different about you. That confidence, that spark, I think is turning heads right now. Maybe somebody in your vicinity is keeping a close eye on you. Whoever this person is, Taurus doesn't want to spend the rest of their life in stress and anxiety and guilt and sadness. There could have been a fight here or an argument here, but I do see them manifesting something. Maybe a Four of Wands with you because things have come to a bit of a halt here. Maybe there's been some imbalance, lack of working together. Let's see, Taurus, before I continue talking, let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then I'll clarify these cards. Okay, so Taurus and their person spirit. Taurus and their person. If they could say something to each other, what would that be? Taurus and their person. Oops. Very difficult, okay. Taurus, okay. One more. Taurus and their person. Okay. Let's take some from another deck, Taurus. And any of you looking for personal readings, Taurus, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Taurus and their person spirit. Oh, that's too many, but they flipped out, so I'm going to take them. Let's take at least one more from another deck. Okay. All right, Taurus, let's start your reading. The first card here says, why do you try and downplay our connection even when you know the importance it holds? You know who we are to each other. Why do you try and dismiss it? This really cuts deep like a knife to the heart. I always choose you every damn time, every damn day. You say that you want me, but your actions don't match with your words that have come out of your mouth. Damn it, I want you to choose me and show me that you mean it. I know that I shouldn't compare others to you, but I just can't help it. You're a tough act to follow and absolutely no one measures up. No matter what's happened between us, you're still the one. I'm healing from deep trauma after losing you in the physical world. On reflection, I realized my inability to put myself first let me down. But as you're my mirror, I feel ultimately I let you down. I'm so sorry I couldn't be there for you when you needed me the most. I didn't know how to make myself a priority, and in not doing so, I lost the biggest part of me, you. Next card. I get so annoyed with your constant need to control everything and denial of your triggers. If I upset you, I want you to be honest with me, but then you use silence as manipulation to gain control. We should be able to talk it out, like grown-ups. I didn't know what love was until our fated meeting. I pray that God will unite us soon because you are my destiny. I love you till the end of times. I'm stuck in my pride and ego, feeling very frustrated and foolish. I know that my behavior has really disappointed you, but I'm even more annoyed with myself. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. I'm working through issues with my family. All right, Taurus, these were some of your messages. Let's start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Taurus. Blessing, guidance, advice. Thank you. Play music. It's time to see the lighter side of life, Taurus. I mean, Queen of Wands, if you've got your confidence up, it's time to start really kind of taking a chill pill and stop looking back at what has not worked. Time to take a little time out for yourself and start seeing the happier, brighter side of life. Let's see what's happening here. Five of Cups in reverse, Spirit. Five of Cups in reverse. Five of Cups in reverse. Five of Cups in reverse. Beautiful. I have the Empress out as well now. It seems somebody doesn't want to live the rest of their life in regret and sorrow. They want to pull themselves out of it now. They feel, they always get the short end of the stick, or maybe they've caught somebody lying. I don't know. They don't want to be stuck in this web of lies and sneakiness and sadness and unhappiness, and no longer wanting to even accept any apology, it seems. Somebody has decided, I think, that I want happiness in my life. I want happiness in my life. I'm choosing to go towards happiness now. And that decision has been made by this Empress. The Empress who's finally found her worth. Beautiful. So, Knight of Swords, Spirit. Knight of Swords in reverse. Knight of Swords in reverse. I think somebody is leaving all the drama behind. They're very, very passionate. They're leaving something or somebody behind to move forward towards their passions. The fire has been lit, and they know that they have to now follow their dreams, their happiness. Maybe this is leaving behind somebody, the King of Pentacles in reverse, and charging forward to something which is more exciting in their life. Could be possible. Let's see. Magician, Spirit. Magician. Magician. Somebody is trying to put some blockages, it seems. Somebody is trying to put the blockages in. There's a lot of stress maybe on the other person's part that this Empress is now going to be maybe by themselves or single and abundant and beautiful and maybe, get anyone that they want. There is somebody who's really, really stressing out about allowing them or, just seeing them maybe move forward. They don't want this to work out. Somebody's doing some kind of, magic, spells. Yes, all this Queen of Wands is once is an equal partner, equal give and take, a happy home. They have the fire lit, and this Queen of they want a brand new life. This Queen of Wands, this fell right on top of the Queen of Wands, a rebirth of their life, a restart. So, Page of Pentacles, Spirit, Page of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles. Somebody could be rejecting or bringing something to a halt. Maybe a committed relationship, or let's see, rejecting somebody who Yeah, somebody's turning their back on maybe a connection, previous connection, I don't know. Again, because they don't want to be in a place which, you know, uh, always makes them feel they don't want to be stuck in a place where they'll always have sorrow. But there is still a bit of fear of letting go, even now, I feel. Death in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this Queen of Wands, as much as their fire is lit, they are trying to be practical as well, trying to get the answers. There's a bit of fear, there's a bit of worry, but they are desperately wanting this brand new love and ready to fight, I think now. They're ready to fight, leave all this conflict behind, and maybe move towards what really makes them happy, the Ace of Cups. This could be self-love, this could be new love, anything. But there is somebody here who is now kind of got their barriers up. They've got control of whatever was toxic in their life. So, Temperance in reverse, Spirit. Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Yeah, somebody is kind of putting this to an end. Anybody who was trying to trick them or create barriers in their way, who was bringing imbalance to their life. I think this cycle is coming to an end here. I'm not sure whether the move has already happened, but there's a lot of planning towards it. Let's see, what's this Two of Wands, Spirit? Two of Wands. Two of Wands. Two of Wands. There is a bit of confusion, I would say, or a lack of clarity here, because whoever is creating this conflict behind, they could be a little emotionally manipulative. As much as they don't want to, I don't know, this could be somebody emotionally manipulating them from stopping them to go on their new path or something. So there is a bit of lies, deception, blocking going on. Three of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Three of Pentacles in reverse. Three of Pentacles. But somebody's made their decision. Somebody's made their decision in all the solitude, all the silent time that this, I think, Empress was in. They've kind of made a choice now. They have made their ultimate choice that this connection is not working out. And I think they could be verbalizing it or maybe planning their move forward. They're ending something, the Ten of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, bringing something to a halt because they feel this is going to bring me justice. Yes, somebody is putting this connection to a halt. This could even maybe, connect to a legal case or a divorce or something. Because why? Because somebody wants to get unstuck from a situation. They don't want to have another go around in this connection. They are moving towards their own happiness. They want emotional happiness. So who's this, Spirit? Page of Swords. Who's keeping a watch on them? Page of Swords. What's this? Somebody's trying to hold them back. Yes, somebody is watching. Somebody who's maybe the person that you are in a connection with, Taurus, somebody who you are in a committed relationship with, somebody who's selfish, self-centered, is not the nicest person maybe for you, at least that's how you feel. But I'm sure you're going to gather the strength. You're going to gather the strength to overpower or move ahead anyway, because this Empress has become strong now. This Empress has gathered up their courage, or they should, from what I feel. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.